Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install the Bitwarden browser extension step by step. I'll be using Chrome, but this works the same on any Chromium-based browser like Brave, Edge, or Opera. First, open the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing it into your address bar. Once the Chrome Web Store homepage loads, you'll see the search bar at the top along with extension categories. In that search bar, type Bitwarden and hit enter. The search results will appear, and you're looking for the one called Bitwarden Password Manager. Click on that listing to open the extension page. The extension page will load, showing the description, ratings, screenshots, and a list of permissions it needs. Take a quick look at this if you want, then find the Add to Chrome button. It's typically in the upper right area of the page. Click that button. A pop-up will appear showing all the permissions the extension is requesting. This is Chrome's way of making sure you know what the extension will have access to. Once you've seen what it needs, click Add Extension to approve the installation. Chrome will now download and install the extension automatically. After a few seconds, you'll see the Bitwarden icon appear in your browser toolbar at the top right. That means it's installed and ready to use. Now here's an important step to make sure you can always access it easily. Click on the puzzle piece icon next to your address bar. That's your extensions menu. You'll see a list of your installed extensions. Find Bitwarden in that list and click the pushpin icon next to it. This pins the extension to your toolbar so it's always visible rather than hidden away in the menu. Once you've done that, the Bitwarden icon will stay visible in your toolbar whenever you open your browser. To start using it, just click on that icon. If you already have a Bitwarden account, you can log in with your email and master password. If you don't have an account yet, you can create one directly from the extension by clicking Create Account in the pop-up. One thing to note, the icon will change appearance depending on your vault status. It'll show differently when you're logged out, when your vault is locked, or when you have saved logins for the page you're currently visiting. This makes it easy to see at a glance what's going on with your password manager. And that's how to install the Bitwarden browser extension. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.